So, guys, the last lesson when we say I stop at patete A. So now I will do the next one. So after patete A, we get license B1. So license B1. Let's go to B1. So let's go to B1. So B1, this one. So this one is the next lesson. So you can use patete B1 to drive quadricycle non leggere. So the quadricycle that is not light, which is the big one. So you can use patete B1 to drive them. Example quad. For example, the quad. They are called quad as well, which is quadricycles. Okay. The one that is not like the heavy one. Con potenza maximum non superiore a 15 kilowatts. So the maximum power must not be above 15 kilowatts. Okay, you can use patete B1 to drive them. Okay. Then consequently, the key high computer said here need the ETA. So this very patete B1 can be achieved for who don't complete 16 years of age. Okay. Consent it transport the one passenger. So it will enable you also to transport one passenger. I posto è previsto sulla carta di circolazione. So if the space is provided, for the vehicle, for the vehicle registration document, if the space is provided for the vehicle registration document that you can transport one passenger, no problem, you can do so. Okay. La patente B1, so the license B1, abilita anche alla guida del veicolo conducibile con la patente AM. So please be very careful with this very part. So this B1, it will enable you to drive the vehicle that patente AM can drive. So the B1 can drive the vehicles that patente AM can still drive, patente AM. So you have to be very careful, okay? Then quadricycle non leggere, so the quadricycle that is not light, which is the big one, you can use patente B1 to drive them. Potenza maximum, so the maximum power must be up to 15 kilowatts. So you can use patente B1 to drive them. Then ciclomotori, so you can still use patente B1 to drive ciclomotori, that their maximum velocity is up to 45 km/h. Okay, so this one is B1. So we have done with B1. So this one is a video. It's not like our normal life lesson. So you can, as well as if you don't understand, rewind, understand before you continue. Okay. Then now we enter the one that we are going for, which is driving license B. The one we are going for now, driving license B. So this one is driving license B. It's for auto vehicles. So the driving license B is for the auto vehicles. So there is difference between motor vehicle and auto vehicles. So motor vehicle are the motorcycles, while auto vehicle are the vehicles with at least 4 tires or more. Okay, so these are the auto vehicles. So these are them. So they are with at least 4 tires or more. So you need patente B to drive auto vehicle. So the auto vehicle, you need patente B to drive them. But the vehicles that you can use patente B to drive, just listen and you will hear them now yourself. Compressor auto vettura. So auto vettura, you can use patente B to drive auto vettura. So auto vettura, they are our normal cars. For example, these pictures are auto vettura, and those 9-seater bus, they are also auto vettura. Those 9-seater bus. Okay, so their maximum post of auto vettura is up to 9 seat. Okay, up to 9 posts. The auto vettura. So that is auto vettura for you. Okay. Their maximum post is up to 9 seats. Okay. Then let me continue. Auto vehicle. So you can use the patente B to drive auto vehicle. Compressor auto vettura. So including our normal cars that they call auto vetture. Then auto caravan. So we can still use patente B to drive auto caravan, which is the tourist vehicle, the tourist auto vehicles. Okay. You can use patente B to drive them as well. Then auto carry. So you can still use patente B to drive the trucks. So the trucks. But make sure that this very auto caravan and the auto carry, the tourist vehicle and the trucks, make sure that the maximum, so the total maximum weight autorizzata non superiore a 3.5 tonnellate. So before you can drive this auto caravan, which is the tourist vehicle, and the auto carry, which is the trucks, just make sure that the max and maximum autorizzata, so the total max, the total weight autorizzata, the total weight authorized, non superiore, not above 3.5 not above 3.5 tons. Con maxa auto posti. So if the auto caravan, the maximum weight of the auto caravan is not above 3.5 tons, you can use Partite B to drive it. Okay. If the maximum weight of auto carry is not above 3.5 tons, you can use Partite B to drive it as well. Okay. So let's continue. So this very vehicle that they all list, con maximum auto posto. So their maximum seats must be auto posti, must be auto 8 seats. Okay. A sedere exclusive conducente. So it must be 8 seats excluding the driver. So in another word, what they are trying to say is this. So the maximum seats, that the maximum post and seats the auto vettura you can use Partite B to drive is 9 seats. Okay. But now they exclude the driver. Auto posti a sedere exclusive conducente. So now it's 8 seats excluding the driver, exclusive conducente. So excluding the driver, now it will not be 8. Okay. And case trainante also if it is towing anything. Okay. So just know that the maximum post that of the seat of auto vettura excluding the driver is 8 seats. Okay. Auto posti. Okay. And case trainante also if it is towing anything. Okay. Then let's see. They say because now you can still use Partite B to tow. Un remorque leggere. So you can still use Partite B to tow a light trailer. Remorque leggere. So you can use Partite B to tow a light trailer. Fino a 750 kg. So a light trailer that is up to 750 kg. So you can use Partite B to tow a light trailer that is up to 750 kg. Okay. Perché la maximum autorizzata not the complesso. So provided that the total max authorized of the combination motrice più remorque. So provided that the total mass of the combination of the car and the trailer, motrice più remorque, the car and the trailer together non superiore a 4.250 tonnellate. So you must make sure that the maximum weight of the car motrice più remorque plus the trailer non superiore, not above 4.250 tons. Okay. So the total mass, now let's calculate. If the total mass of the vehicle, now they say we can use Partite B to drive vehicle that their maximum weight is not above 3.5 tons. Okay. Oh yeah, right, 3.5 tons. Okay. Plus 750 of the light remorque. Then add 750. Now they say we can use Partite B to tow a light remorque. Okay. Oh yeah, add 750 plus 3,500. So if you add 750 plus 3,500, it will give you 4.250 tons. Okay. So this the combination of the motrice più remorque, the combination of the car plus the light trailer must not be above non superiore 4.250 tonnellate. So the maximum weight of the two together, the combination of the car and the light remorque, must not be above 4.250 tons. Okay. So that is that one. You can always rewind and understand before you continue. Okay. Then un remorque non leggero. So you can still use Partite B to tow a trailer that is not light. Un remorque non leggero. Perché la massa massima autorizzata da complesso. So you can still use Partite B to tow a trailer that is not light, provided that the total mass, the total weight authorized, the complesso of the combination motrice più remorque of the car and the trailer that is not light, non superiore a 3.5 tonnellate. So the total weight of the trailer and the car must not be above 3.5 tons. Okay. So now you are towing a big trailer, a trailer that is not light. The law said now you must make sure that the total weight that is authorized of the combination of the car and the trailer that is not light must not be above, non superior the 3.5, must not be above 3.5 tons. So we have to accept it like this, because when you use your normal sense, we are towing a trailer that is not light now. The law now is saying the total weight of the car and the trailer that is not light, the combination must not be above, motrice più remorque must not be above, non superiore 3.5 tonnellate. That is, it must not be above 3.5 tons. So we have to accept it like this. Please, you have to accept it like this. So this is what they want us to know. So we have to know it like this. Okay. If the tow trailer that is not light, okay, the law say make sure that the total weight of the trailer that is not light and the car must not be above 3.5 tons. Okay. So this is how the authorities say we should know it. So know it like this. okay? Because we say me use normal sense, it not make sense, okay? You the two light one, the light one with the light one of the trail, the light trailer now go because here now the idea is this: they don't give any specific number of the trailer that is not light, but the light one they give a specific number, which is 750. But now they did not give any specific number, so they say now, okay, the weight must not be above 3.5 tons. So that's how we need to know it, okay, according to the law. So you can always rewind, understand before you continue, okay? So auto vehicle, so the auto vehicles, you can use part B to drive them. Maximum non oltre 3.5 So the maximum weight must not be above 3.5 tons. If you know you want to use part B to drive any car, know that the power must the total weight must not be above 3.5 tons, okay? Fino and 9 posti a sedere. So the maximum seat of the vehicle must be at least up to 9 seats. 9 seats. So just for example, those 9-seater bus, so you can see you part B to drive them. So plus the driver, now it can be 9, okay? Including the driver, at least the seat must be 9, okay? Then complesse veiculare. So look at the trailer now. Look at the trailer. Our normal car towing a trailer. Complesse veiculare. These children. So let me round up fast and go and take all these children. So auto vehicle. So we can use part B to drive this to tow this trailer. So they add now maximum auto vehicle più remorque non leggere. So the vehicle plus the trailer that is not light, not oltre 3.5 So if you are towing a trailer that is not light, make sure that the vehicle plus the trailer that is not light must not be above 3.5 tons. So you can use part B to tow them. Then macchina operatrice. So you can use part B to tow operational machine as well, to drive operational machine. You can use part B to drive operational machine as well. So exclusive exceptional. So you can use part B to drive operational machine, but excluding the exceptional ones. We get operational machine that the ones that are difficult, which is the exceptional one. That is why they say exclusive exceptional. So you can use part B to drive the exceptional operational machine, okay? You can drive the normal operational machine, but the exceptional one, they are not included, okay? So they continue. Veicolo che possono condurre con la patente A1. So this patente B can drive vehicle that can be driven by patente A1. So vehicles, when we say patente, you can use patente A1 to drive, you can use patente B to drive them as well, okay? Ma solo su territorio nazionale Italia, but make sure that it's only in Italy. So if you want to drive any vehicle, when we say patente A1, they drive, you can, if you want to drive any vehicle, when we say want to use patente B to drive any vehicle, patente A1 they drive, make sure that ma solo in territorio nazionale Italia, make sure that it's only in Italy, okay? Then tricicli a motore, then this tricycle, the potenza are oltre 15 kW. So tricycle that the power is above 15 kW, so you can see use patente B to drive them. Tricycle that their power is above 15 kW, okay? Ma solo in Italia, but only in Italy. Perché il conducente abbia almeno 21 anni. So provided that the driver have at least 21 years of age. So you can use patente B to drive tricicli that the power is above 15 kW, but only in Italy, provided that the driver have at least 21 years of age, okay? Then quadricicli, so you can use patente B to drive all the types of quadricycles, tutti, all of them, okay? Then you can use patente B to drive macchina agricoli, compresse quello eccezionale. So please listen attentively. So you can use patente B to drive all the types of agricultural machine, both the exceptional one, all the agricultural machine, both the exceptional one. Quello compresse quello eccezionale. So you can use patente B to drive all the different types of agricultural machine, including the exceptional one. Macchina operatrice. So you can still use patente B to drive operational machine, exclusive quelle eccezionale. So you can use patente B to drive agricultural machine, excluding the agricultural machine. You can drive all of them with patente B, all of them. But the operational machine, you can use patente B to drive the operational machine, exclusive quelle eccezionale. So when it comes to operational machine, the exceptional one, you can't use patente B to drive them. for the operational machine. Okay, the operational machine, exclusive, exceptional, the exceptional one on the operational machine, you can use particle B to drive it. Okay, but agricultural machine, you can use particle B to drive all the agricultural machine, including the exceptional one. But when it comes to operational machine, the normal operational machine, you can use particle B, but the exceptional one, you can't use particle B to drive them. That is why they say exclusive, exceptional. Okay, then motor vehicle, so you can use particle B to drive motor, this motocycle, which is a big motorbike. Tutti I veicoli della categoria A1, ma solo in Italia. So the big motorbike that particle A1 can drive, you can use particle B to drive it, ma solo in Italy, but only in Italy. Okay. Then tricicli, you can use particle B to drive tricicli. Potezza oltre 15 kW. So the particle B, you can use it to drive the tricycle that their power is above 15 kilowatts. Solo in Italy, but only in Italy. 21 anni computer, but make sure you have completed 21 years of age. Okay. Then macchina agricola, you can use particle B to drive all the different types of agricultural machine. Nessuno limitation, to no limitation. All the different types of agricultural machine, including the exceptional one. Okay. So the only thing is that agricultural machine, you can use particle B to drive all of them, including the exceptional one. But when it comes to operational machine, you can use particle B to drive the normal operational machine, but the exceptional one for the operational machine, you can use particle B. Okay, so that is it. So we have done with the particle B. You can always rewind, understand before you go ahead. So let me round up here. So la partita di categoria B. So the driving license B può essere conseguita. So the driving license B can be achieved. So driving license B può essere conseguita. So the license B so can be achieved. Da chi ha computer 18 anni di età. So who have ever completed 18 years of age, you can achieve the particle B. If you don't complete 18 years of age, if you did less than 18 years, you can't go for particle B. So make sure that you have completed 18 years of age before you can go and achieve particle B. Okay, you must complete 18 years of age. Okay, comprende anche la particle AM. So this particle B, so you can use it to drive the vehicle particle AM they drive. Particle A1, the vehicles when particle A1 they drive, you can still drive it. Particle B1, so the vehicle particle B1 they drive, you can use particle B to drive them as well. Okay, so let me come again. This driving license B, you can achieve it if you don't complete 18 years of age. Okay, then the vehicles when we see particle AM they drive, you can use particle B to drive it. Vehicle when we see particle A1 they drive, you can use particle B to drive it. Vehicle when we see particle B1 they drive, you can use particle B to drive it as well. Okay, so try to go to the application and do the quizzes so that you get more understanding, because I don't have time. I just try to squeeze the time so that you guys can also acquire this knowledge of what we have learned on your behalf. So on Monday when we meet, we continue from where I stop now. Okay, so see you guys. Bye.